What's up, people? This your boy Brandon, Mr. Real Grundy, and I'm finna show you how you declutter or organize a garage in 2 hours or less. First, you want to look and see what you got, what you want to do, what's possible and what's impossible before you run out of energy. Yeah. So I came in here yesterday and I moved some stuff around a little bit. So, yeah. The first thing you want to do is map out the area and make sure you're not overestimating everything. So, second thing you want to do is start moving some things out of the garage to make room for the things you're going to move around in the garage. So right there, I'm making a space at the front, taking things out that I know need to go in last. Just making some space to move around. So then I needed to work in the corner to get some things out of the corner, which is the major area. So again, you need to make sure you're making a safe space to move things, which is what I was doing. And then I proceeded to move all the heavy stuff against the wall. That way it's out the way, it's safely being held up by something sturdy. You know, you don't just want to throw stuff around and move stuff around just for convenience, because then you get lazy. And that's how stuff falls over, when you don't take the time to make sure you're doing it safely and efficiently. So, as you can see right there, I'm making space, I'm moving stuff carefully, setting things up, and just getting the job done, because a lot of times it's just all about just getting it done. So the stuff that needed to go to trash, I'm moving it outside, because again, that's going to be trash. The trash cans were full, so I couldn't just throw stuff in the trash cans anymore. So I just moved it out the way so I could start stacking. And once I started stacking, you can see the gaps start getting bigger. You know, the space start getting larger. But yeah, that's me running through, showing like the space that it opened up. And basically you start seeing progress. You know, the progress makes you want to keep going. The ending result is you get a more organized space, and you accomplish something that probably needed to be done a while ago. But again, it's easier once you get started. You know, the biggest thing is just getting started, and then you can work your way through most of the other stuff. But as you can see, it came together and everything was finished. You know, there's more space now, it's more organized, and people can move around in the garage. So just start.